Today the topic is in relation to review of literature, and during the time of review of literature collection there are different sources which is utilized for the collection of and reference of research reviews. So here one we have to understand that in the previous sessions we heard about the research journals, periodicals, and such different media are used for review of literature collection. And in this session we are discussing the secondary storage devices or other sources of review of literature. Okay, write down the heading: secondary storage devices or other sources of review of literature. Okay, write down. Citations are for publications on CD-ROM, capital letter CD-ROM, CD-ROM, comma, disk, DISKE, disk, and magnetic tape, comma, pen drives, in brackets PD, comma, external hard disk, in brackets EHD, and DVDs are similar to those for print sources. First, next paragraph. Many reference works are available in electronic form. First up, the most widely used databases at present are available online or on CD-ROM. First up, next paragraph. A CD-ROM database is stored on small disk or pen drive databases or external hard disks. First up, next sentence. The researcher uses a standard personal computer to access information in the database of secondary storage devices. First up, the storage devices is usually pre-installed in a computer. First up, the databases are also stored in other media, comma, that can hold much more information. First up, next paragraph. In addition, the information is usually more current in electronic formats. First up, electronic database generally allow to print out or download information. First up, most important of all sources, comma, when the electronic versions of a reference work in many more ways help than the printed versions. First up. Next subheading: Internet comma World Wide Web, www, in brackets. Okay, write down. Researchers regularly use facts and ideas from internet sources to complete those derived from traditional print sources. First off, the internet is a vast internal computer network originally developed in 1969 to facilitate the work of scientists and engineers at universities, laboratories, and such government agencies as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. First letter is capital, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in brackets NASA, NASA. Close the bracket, full stop. Next paragraph. The popular internet services known as the World Wide Web provides hypertextual links between and within electronic sites. First off, through the web, a researcher can read and transfer material from library catalogs and millions of other useful sites, created by professional organizations, educational entities, in brackets example universities, libraries, academic departments, research centers, scholarly projects, close the bracket, and individual scholars and researchers. First up, next part. These sites provide not only information sources but also the full text of documents such as historical papers, literary and religious works, and articles in electronic periodicals, in brackets example journals, magazines, newspapers, close the bracket, and audiovisual materials, in brackets example photographs, paintings, sound and video recordings. Okay, so these are all the secondary storage devices which is used for a review of literature collection, and the electronic publications which also may help for a review of literature collection. And here two more additions in this topic. What we can remember about the electronic medium: they are open access and one scientific literature search engine called PubMed. So write down the first one. It is also considered as the secondary storage devices or the link or online or computer based review of literature collection mode. Okay, so write down the next subheading open access. in brackets OA. Write down. Open access means unrestricted access via the internet to peer-reviewed scholarly research. First up, the primary content of which OA is intended to scholarly journal articles. First up, next paragraph. Open access comes in 2 degrees, that is gratis, gratis, gratis OA, comma, which is free online access, and Libri, L-I-B-R-E, Libri OA, comma, which is free online access plus some additional usage rights. First up, these additional usage rights are often granted through the use of various specific Creative Commons licenses. First up, next paragraph. The 2 ways authors can provide OA are: 1. By self-archiving their journal articles in an open access repository, also known as Green OA, Green, G-R-E-E-N, single inverted comma, Green OA. Then 2. By publishing in an open access journal known as Gold OA, G-O-L-D, single inverted comma, Gold OA. First up, next subheading, PubMed, P-U-B-M-E-D, P capital, M capital. Okay, write down. PubMed comprises of 22 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline, capital letter Medline, M-E-D-L-I-N-E. First up, the life science it includes life science journals and online books. First up, PubMed citations and abstracts include the fields of biomedicine and health, covering portions of the life sciences, behavioral sciences, chemical sciences, and bioengineering. First up, PubMed also provides access to additional relevant websites and links to the other NCBI, Molecular Biology Resources, National Center for Biological Information. Next paragraph. PubMed is a free resource that is developed and maintained by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, at US National Library of Medicine, in brackets NLM, located at the National Institute of Health, NIH. Okay, this is also one of the secondary storage devices which is used for review of literature collection. Thank you.